Easy, easy, easy peasy. Okay, let's bake a cake. The cake recipe is very simple. It's known as a tea cake. So I believe so. For a cake, to make a cake, you need cake. No, sorry, I'm just joking. So all the recipe details are here. Let me run through it. So here I've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got 175 ml of milk. I've got say 50 grams of castor sugar, and I've got 4 eggs. So you have the egg yolk and the white separated. I've got 250 grams of all-purpose flour or Maida, and I've sifted it thrice. Okay, got butter, 150 grams of salted butter. I've got the baking tray, and I've got a bowl to mix, as well as I've got the hand mixer. So let's start preparing this tea cake. Anyone can make cake. You can go up to 150 grams on your castor sugar if you want it to be as sweet as you want it. But I've used 50 because I love the sugar to be as less as possible. For the egg white, okay, we need to beat it as much as possible so that it turns out to be fluffy that way. Okay, take care. So that should be good enough. So let's transfer the egg whites. There are 4 into a bowl, a separate bowl. It's better always. And you now whisk this until it becomes creamy. Okay, don't use the hand mixer. Just whisk until it becomes creamy. So that looks creamy to me. So let's stop here. So in a bowl, let's add the butter, and then let's add the castor sugar. I told you you can add more. I've just added 50 with a good mix. I could beat it. Now we'll add the creamy egg yolk. Alright, 4 egg yolks, and we will give it a good mix. You add your egg white, but you have to fold it in. Okay, that way. Very careful from outside to inside. Fold it, okay? Gently fold it, okay? Start adding your flour, not all, just a bit, and start using your spatula and fold it in, okay? Just keep folding from the outside to the inside, and after that start adding your milk and do it in batches. Okay, so the final last few grams left, and I have the remaining milk, but I need to make sure, probably I will stop here. Probably 50 or 25 ml lesser would be better. And the idea of folding is to, you will be sure that your tea cake will be soft, spongy, and airy. It'll have a lot of air gaps and make it tasty and delicious. Make sure you add your baking powder and give it some very good folds. Okay, folding makes it very soft and very fluffy. Okay, soft cake. That way. Okay, just be gentle from outside to inside. Okay, now we will empty all the batter, entire mix, into this lovely baking tray. You use your smaller spatula to give it a nice even shape. Hit it a bit so that it settles down well. And we'll chuck it in a preheated oven, which is at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you go, preheated oven. Anyone can make tea cake for a good smoker time. Lovely, tasty, delicious. And you will see how it slowly comes. See you later. So, moment of truth. After 45 minutes, there you go. Splendid cake is well baked here, and then see if there's anything sticky. Looks good, perfectly baked. Voila, anyone can do. Tea cake is ready. Very happy, and that's the trick. There you go. Beautiful, eh? Now let's do the cutting ceremony. Gentle cutting ceremony. Let it cool down and then we will cut it. Mama, there you go. The delicious tea cake. Anyone can make tea cake is ready. Cheers guys. Very fluffy, very tasty, and try it at home and you will love this beautiful tea cake. Anyone can make tea cake is ready. Cheers guys. Enjoy during your tea time or your smoker time. Cheers.